You get 150 ties with this. You get the little type of compression gun right here that works for it. It looks like it's from the company DAFONSO, or however that is. And it's stainless steel cable tie set. So let's just go ahead and open it up and see what all we get with this. Well, you know what? You get a little red bag. Looks like it's a little zippered red bag. I always like a little bag with it. Oh, they give you a little set of gloves, little set of instructions, basically. I'll go over that here in a minute. A lot of ties. So you get the 15.8, the 50 of those, 7.9, 50 of those, 11.8, 50 of those. And that's length, by the way. No matter what the temperature is, it will work just fine. Looks like you get some little cutting shears on theirs. Here's the actual stainless steel self-tensioning one-step cutting compact style. How about this, everybody? Wow, look at that. So we'll go ahead and let's take it out here to the fence and let's put it on the fence. What's that little screwdriver for? Let me go over the instructions and we'll see how this works, because it looks pretty simple. I've used one of these in the past, but I've used a different type for kind of like bundling up wire and rebar and stuff like that. But I'm going to use it on a fence. I've got a chain link fence out here that's hanging down, and I think I'm going to fix it using this cable tie right here. So let's go ahead. Let's grab one of the 15.8s and let's get out there and start putting it together. You can see gardens, pipes, exhaust. That's true because it can withstand a lot of heat. Farm, and you see they're using it on a actual fence right here. So that's all we got to do. So let's go ahead. Let's get out here and put this thing to the test. Okay, everybody, right here's a chain link fence that I've got. Now I put zip ties on this. We had this break not too long ago with a storm and I had a tree hit, and I've been needing to get some of these things right here because you know what? This is exactly what it's designed for. So to put these on, you're basically just going to run it like this, run it through, tighten it up. See how I can kind of tighten it? Just down like that. Now it's not going to come back. Now what I'm going to do is get the tie gun right here, run it right through here like this, like so. Now watch how I can tighten this up with each pull. See how I'm tightening it up? Look how tight I got that. Now see, it was loose, now it's tight. Check out the cutter, how nicely. Look how nice and clean. It's almost like it was designed for that. Let's go ahead and let's put another one on. So let's go ahead, I'll show you how this works. This one I'm not gonna pull so tight. We'll let the actual unit here do the work. So you see how it's loose? Watch, each time I tighten it up. Wow, that gets it super tight. Look at it. See how tight that is? So you actually don't even need those cutters because you got this right here, watch. That works extremely well. That worked really well, everybody. Now that's super solid there. It's way more solid than these things right here. And these will break when it gets like warm out. It'll start loosening up, and you can't use these on anything hot. I could use these on all this down through here. And if you're wondering what this little thing is, what this is, somehow this fits down in there and then you can pop these ties off of there. But I'm not gonna use that. If I ever need to get this off, I've got the cutters that they gave me and I'll just cut it off. But everybody, I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs a great metal cable tie kind of kit that can kind of do it all. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, cable tie kit. See you all in the next video.